Nima uchun Luxury Home Aboy salondan pol laminatlarini xarid qilishingiz kerak? Hozir sizga buni tushuntirib beraman. Qani ketdik. Showroomimizda granit va yog'och ko'rinishidagi Rossiya va Turkiya davlatidan keltirilgan mina ortiq turdagi pol laminatlariga buyurtma berishingiz mumkin.
Girl that they don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once.
Pol laminatlarning qalinligi 7 mm dan 12 mm gacha.
I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
To'liqroq ma'lumot olish uchun va buyurtma qilish uchun quyidagi raqamlarga aloqaga chiqing. Luxury Home Aboy salonining Instagramiga obuna bo'lishni unutmang. Ko'rishguncha.